Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Weintek HMI to a PLC using an easy method. First, ensure you have your Weintek HMI and your chosen PLC ready. We'll cover the essential hardware and software you'll need, like the correct cables and the Easy Builder Pro software. Then, we'll walk through the configuration process step by step, making sure your devices can communicate seamlessly. This approach simplifies the setup, saving you time and effort. To begin, gather your Weintek HMI and the PLC you intend to connect. A crucial component is the right communication cable. This could be an Ethernet cable for network connections or a serial cable like RS-232 or RS-485, depending on your PLC's port. Don't forget to install Easy Builder Pro on your computer, as this software is essential for configuring the HMI's communication settings. Finally, confirm your PLC's communication port and protocol. Now, let's dive into Easy Builder Pro. Start by opening the software and creating a new project. You'll need to select your exact Weintek HMI model and then choose your PLC brand from the extensive device list. Next, configure the communication driver, entering details like the PLC's IP address for Ethernet or the serial port settings for RS-232. After setting these parameters, use the built-in test function to verify that your HMI can successfully communicate with the PLC. Once configured, it's vital to test your connection thoroughly. Try reading and writing some data tags from your PLC through the HMI to confirm two-way communication. Double-check that all communication settings, including baud rates and parity, are identical on both your HMI and PLC. If issues arise, inspect your physical cable connections for any loose ends or damage. Easy Builder Pro also offers diagnostic tools that can provide valuable insights into any communication errors you might encounter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.